Hi, welcome to another vlog. So I'm not sure what's going to happen in this one. I might leave the house for a bit, go to the drugstore, pick up a few things, but it's really snowing. Really hard. Let me show you. I just did my hair, by the way. It's fresh. Okay, let me show you the snow. Look at this. Can you see? Can you see how hard it's snowing? It's gorgeous, but like, can we go outside? Can we walk outside? Not sure, so we'll see. But before I get into this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you can hear the TV, I mean, if I could do anything about it, believe me, I would. Oh, did I show you my nails? How cute. I'm kind of over them, but I can't really do much with them because they're so short. Whatever. So I got a few things that I want to show you, and I do have a couple empties that I want to talk about, and then I'll go. Kind of got better now though. So this is everything I got. I know, in every single vlog, in every single haul, I say that I need to stop shopping. That's gonna be my last time, but I have a problem. Okay. By the way, everything is linked in the description box, so if you wanna buy anything, it's there. I got this box from Monica Vinader. I didn't buy these, honestly. These were gifted. Look at the packaging. How cute is that? It's like little drawers. By the way, this is not an ad. I'm not supposed to be filming this and talking about them or whatever. So it's this little felt pouch. And this is the first ring. Can you see it? I feel like it's never going to focus, obviously. But it's really cute. And it's dangly. Cute, huh? Then the second pouch has the other ring. I picked these out, so I already know what's in there. It's this little pinky ring. It's kind of tight, but it fits. How cute. It's so shiny. I'm obsessed. Now let's move on to Sephora. Oh, before I talk about the Sephora stuff, I did get these Rael Miracle patches. They're like pimple patches from Amazon. Really affordable, and they work miracles, really. Oh, it's called the Miracle Patch, yeah. My sister told me that she likes these, so instead of buying the expensive Sephora ones, I got these. And they worked. I tried them twice already. So just wanted to let you know. Now on to the Sephora things. So first I got my birthday gift, I guess, from Sephora. It's the Tatcha mini set. You get a mini cleanser and a mini dewy skin cream and a little sample of the liquid silk canvas. So I have the not liquid one. Cute. Then I got a mini powder. I really wanted one for my handbag for when I go out, because apparently you do need to touch up. I've never been a touch up person, but in this weather, everything runs. And you've seen that in my previous vlogs, so a powder is very much needed, and a mini one is important to have when you carry small bags. This is what it looks like. It's so small. Really, it's tinier than I thought it would be. It's like the size of an eyeshadow. Look at it. But it's so cute. I was kind of surprised considering how much I paid for it. It was like $30-something, but it'll do the job. I don't think I'm going to return it. I like it. It's cute and fancy packaging. This is just a sample of the Too Faced Born This Way matte, oil-free, oil-controlling, waterproof, transfer-resistant, still don't know what it is, foundation. Yeah, it's just a tiny sample, I guess. And there was only this color, so I figured I would try it as a cream bronzer. Next, I got the Merit Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Taupe. And I already tried this when the package first arrived, and I have it on today. This is what it looks like. I already love it. It's really lightweight. I think that's what I like the most about it. And the color is really stunning. And it's really moisturizing. Once it's all absorbed, it leaves your lips really plump and soft. So love this. I will want every color in that product. Now finally, the star of the show, the palette I've been wanting and thinking about since before I came to Canada. The Makeup by Mario Master Mattes eyeshadow palette. It's very basic. It's really just regular matte brown toned palette, but I just couldn't stop thinking about it. So I finally got it. Look at how sleek it is. I did use it today, by the way. I just couldn't help myself. But I did try to keep it as clean as possible. Look at this. Stunning. I'm obsessed with it. I probably already have all of these shades in my collection, but I had to have it. I'm thinking of filming a review on this, by the way, like a full-on video. It's been a while. We'll see. And last but not least, I got the Béis makeup bag. I'm so excited. I would describe Béis as a travel accessories. They also have suitcases company. They're Canadian and they're by the actress Shay Mitchell. So I'm so excited. Look at this. It's gorgeous. And this is the cosmetics case. Yeah, that's what it's called. But you'll see the features on the inside. It's done well, you know. It opens like this. And then here you have a zipper. And then you have a mirror that you can put on your desk and it stands up. And can you see? And it's really a smart idea for traveling. And then you can just pop it back in, zip it up, and you're done. And on the other side, you have space for brushes. And then you have this little pouch. But the brushes and mirror part, you can take it off. It's magnetic. Oh, there's a little pouch here too. It's really cool. But look how fast it attaches. And it's so strong. It's so cool. I'm so excited about this. So yeah, this is going to be my everyday makeup bag. So that was everything I got. Let me know in the comment section what product was your favorite or what you're most excited about. Or if you want me to review anything, just write me a comment down there. I probably should go now. I really want to go before it gets dark out. And I think I'm going to leave the empty products that I wanted to talk about for another video. Yeah. Oh my god. What's happening? Shit. I don't think I can go. I have to go though. I think I'm going to take off my lipstick. The makeup altogether was a bad idea, but I'm not going outside in this weather with a glossy lip. Oh, it's an actual struggle to walk. Oh my god, I can't see the sidewalk. Oh, that was a bad decision. Bad decision. Oh shit. This is a car. Or this was a car. Oh my god. It's crazy. Now the good thing is no one's outside so I can vlog. Look at the snow in the tree. So pretty. Oh my god, how am I supposed to go to cross? I've been here for a second, just going around trying to see how I can cross over there. Oh my god. It's not freezing cold. Fuck. I missed the bus. It's right there. No, fuck my life. There goes my bus. Bye. Ugh. Whoa, look at the ice. Oh my god. I don't know how, but another bus That was crazy. Every step I take could be the end of me. I just saw someone fall. Oh god. I came for these. There's no conditioner though. Do I get the moisture or the volume? I feel like you can't go wrong with moisture. Now I need to find a conditioner. I really wanted them to match, like next to each other. I'm starting to sweat and I have no idea what to get. I think I might try this. Sulfate-free conditioner. Yeah. Hey, you're coming home with me. Look at all the makeup. Ew. Did not like this one. Probably shouldn't get anything. That's the TikTok famous volcanic rock oil thing. I would never use it though. Oh my god, my shoes. Where's Vogue? No, I don't see it. Shit, ooh. My sister would love this. I'm so disappointed. I really want Vogue. Why? They have the Ariana Cloud perfume. Someone said it's a dupe for Baccarat Rouge. That's interesting. Whoa, it's bright. The fuck is that? What is that? Oh god, look at the weather. It's so pretty. Oh, there's snow on you. Just me and my tomb walking in a blizzard very casually. Oh my god, the wind. I look crazy. Are you kidding me? It's blue skies now. It's so crazy. It's bipolar. Look at that sky. Can't get any bluer. I'm going to show you what I got really quickly while the roommate. Can we ignore that, or I'm going to wait till the roommate's done and then I'll show you. What a waste of an hour doing my hair this morning. Although it does look kind of cute in a messy way. Maybe that's the Canadian beach wave. It's like blizzard wave. No, but that was really intense, I'm not gonna lie. And it's just making fun of me. The blue sky is just laughing at me. It's like a second ago I was outside and there was wind and snow and it was the end of the world, and now it's just blue skies. Okay, so I obviously got the garlic paste to them, but it's in the fridge. I'm not going to show you that. I got some of these. Original recipe. I think it's just regular salt chips. A Coke Zero. Really want to try it. Want to see if it actually tastes like the normal one. A Lindt milk chocolate bar. And finally, the things I actually went for. This is the Monday Moisture Hydration Shampoo. I also wanted the conditioner, but they were out of it. I really wanted them to match in the bathroom next to each other. Instead, I got the Pantene Complete Curl Care. Oh, curl care. I don't want my hair to curl. Oh well. Sulfate-free conditioner with jojoba oil. Does anyone immediately just remember the Pink Panther when they say jojoba? Jojoba.
It's spelled jojoba, but it's pronounced jojoba.
Jojoba.
Why would I do something like that? Jojoba.
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 Anyway, so that's all I got. I'm going to end the vlog here, make it nice and short. I really need to start editing this because it goes up tomorrow. I'm so late. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and of course, as usual, click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! My voice. That was so awkward. To have the big wow.